Hello, so you're welcome today. So here is just to show you some of the bridal hand fan skeleton types that we have. These are the major ones, so to say. This is for the detachable hand fan. This is the round one. This is the half one that has the handle right in the center. This is just for the Oreyawo Ashwebi playlist for these two. And this is another one here. This one we always have like a stick that is attached to this part like this, straight like that, both front and back, so that will serve as handle. So here are some of the major bridal hand fan shapes that are used around, and here are the patterns.